You see, you can easily sit online like Boss Blunts and his followers and pretend like you know what's going to happen. Pretend like your feelings are going to create MOAS, which isn't real. It was coined by the NASDAQ in 2013. You're welcome to look that up if you'd like. You're always on the computer, on the internet, but it seems like you don't want to do anything worthwhile with your time other than cry like a child online and, try and attack others who not only outclass the living piss out of you, your entire community, and your hero all put together, but I've put in the work, buddy. So, again, those of you who follow me know that this isn't directed to anyone other than the idiots out there who are, they do nothing but sit and complain, and they expect their lives to change. It's never going to happen. You're going to continue your downward slump. There's not going to be a miracle saving MOAS, and the guy leading you, who you're calling your hero, you're going to be pointing the finger at him sooner or later. So, again, it's easy to pretend online, but remember, at the end of the day, we're laughing at you. We're laughing at you. From a normal place that's not filled with, number one, bots, idiots, feelings, and emotions. So, again, I'm going to link this below. You're welcome to take your lazy, incompetent asses and read this material. And keep in mind, you're following a sheep herding sheep. If you want to learn about BlackRock iShares ETFs, the Box Exchange, SIBO market share, SIBO BZX Exchange, China. We all know you don't want to touch China because of reasons. Data entities, data funds and tickers, data market data visualization, DTC, Emerald, Farce Personas, FINRA, history, ICC Europe. I've done so much work. You have nothing. So, again, I'm laughing while you're scrambling, and at the end of the day, you're holding bags. And you're mad about that. But hey, you can't be mad at me. Or I guess you can. I don't really care. But at the end of the day, you have nothing to show for anything. So when are you going to start doing something? Here's the link to this below. You're welcome to use it for your own gain. We both know you won't. But at the end of the day, what have you gained? Nothing. You've just given your time to some idiot. So congratulations. Continue being mad. I'll continue improving and moving forward. There's still time. I'm just saying, there's still time.